Today, we're talking about financial management and how it can impact your life in a positive way. First off, it's important to understand the basics of finance management. This means keeping track of your income and expenses, setting budget goals, and finding ways to save and invest your money. One of the biggest benefits of good finance management is being able to save for the future. This could be for a down payment on a house, a rainy day fund, or even your retirement. By setting aside money each month and investing it wisely, you can make your money work for you and secure your financial future. Another benefit of good finance management is reducing stress and worry about money. When you have a solid handle on your finances, you're less likely to worry about how you'll pay your bills or if you'll be able to afford unexpected expenses. This can be a huge weight off your shoulders. Finally, good finance management can give you more freedom and flexibility in life. When you're not tied down by financial stress and worry, you can focus on the things that really matter to you, whether that's traveling, starting a business, or pursuing your passions. So how can you get started with finance management? Start by tracking your expenses and income, setting a budget, and finding ways to save and invest your money. There are tons of tools and resources available to help you, from budgeting apps to financial advisors. Remember, good finance management is about more than just saving money. It's about giving yourself the freedom and flexibility to live the life you want and make your money work for you. So why not give it a try and see how it can improve your life?